There's a growing sense that the voice of veterans might be the best way to change the federal policy on medical marijuana, and support is mounting. Most major national veteran service organizations have already backed medical cannabis. The others are waiting on the results of an ongoing study in Phoenix. It's the first government-backed research of its kind.
Yeah, this is a limited space, but we make it work. And
Sue Sisley is in charge of the study, which began earlier this year. It's the first ever FDA-approved clinical look at the effects of cannabis on veterans with PTSD. But like all controlled trials in the US, it has to use extremely low-grade government weed.
Smells like not great cannabis. Yeah, I have to say, a lot of people would not recognize this as cannabis. If you look inside, it kind of looks like what's left over after you use weed.
right, yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's 0.08 grams of cannabis, so it's a very minimal amount.
When I heard about this government-sponsored study, I didn't necessarily think it would look like this.
Right. I mean, people assume that a government-sponsored project is going to have all of the kind of bells and whistles of a legit big pharma trial, and maybe we look kind of low. How do you say? Maybe we
Underfunded.
Underfunded. We look. Yeah.
Sisley wishes she had more than the $2 million she got from the state of Colorado. But what she absolutely needs is access to more veterans. For the study to be statistically significant, it has to include 76 veterans who meet a set of very specific requirements. But after 7 months, Sisley has only managed to find 20. She blames the Veterans Affairs Office.
The Phoenix VA hospital has the highest density of treatment-resistant veterans. They probably have 20,000 patients there. We need them, and we can't access them. The Phoenix VA has set up a brick wall there. So most of these veterans who are going every day have no idea that this study is happening in their backyard.
In early August, Sisley sent a letter to Shulkin, asking him to force the Phoenix VA to cooperate. She still hasn't heard back. We asked the National and Phoenix VA for a response, but neither was willing to address the study.
I can tell you that the majority of the public will continue to be skeptical until there's controlled data that's published in a peer-reviewed journal.